In this video, we're going to look at a couple more of the interactive activities you can add to one of your Nearpod presentations. So on this one here, we're going to focus on earthquakes, and we're going to click Add a Slide, and we're going to go over to Add an Activity. We're going to come down over to one of the newer ones, which is called Fill in the Blanks, just so you can see how it looks. And over here in this box is where you would either copy and paste the text or you would type in the text. And what you do on this screen, you put your text in, and then on the following screen, what you're going to be able to do is then tap out words that you want to pull out that will then go into a word bank for the students to actually use. So let's say, for example, I want to pull out some text from one of these pages that I have here, all about earthquakes. So I'm going to highlight and just copy this text and bring it over to my Nearpod, and then I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, so here's the text. You can edit the text if you want and make changes to it and pull out whatever you don't want. You can change the background color, the text style, etc. And then when we click on Next, you see over here it says click on the words right to add to the bank. So you're going to just tap words that you want to pull out. And when you're done, all you do is click Done. And now it's done. Now, if you want to take a look at it before that you actually use this with students, this slide is highlighted. So we go ahead and click on Preview. And you will get to see what it's going to look like from the student perspective. So you'll see they will see the text, and the words that you tapped out will be whited out, and they will drag and drop the words to the appropriate place. And if they don't drag it right on top of the blank, it will pull it out. And then they would click Done when they're completed. Okay, so that is the fill in the blank. Let's do another one. We'll click Add Slide. We're going to do another interactive activity, and this time we're going to do one of the Draw It activities. Draw It is where the students, you can put in text information as to what you want them to do. You can also include an image or a video, and then the students will get drawing tools to either draw on top of an image that you insert, or it could be a blank slate. So for example, in math, if you want them to work out a math problem, you can put a math problem in and just give them a white page to work on. So we're going to click on Draw It. And you're going to see here, this is where you would put your instructions as to what you want them to do. And you can add a reference, which is either an image or a still video. And over here where you can upload a background image, this is optional. If you don't put anything here, like I said before, it'll be a white piece of paper. So I'm going to put my instructions in. And then we're going to upload an image that I want them to draw on. Now this image here I already have saved to my computer, so I'm not going to look in Google search. So if you click on this arrow, you can navigate to the image that you want to upload. Click Open. There is the image. If you needed to make any additional add-ins here, you could add again a video or another image, and we're going to click Save. And again, if you want to see what it looks like, make sure that the slide is highlighted by clicking on it. Click Preview. The preview is generated, and then you will see the annotation tools down here at the bottom where the students will be able to draw on top of this image. And when they're done, they will be able to submit it, and then you will see it on your end. So those are a couple of the other activities that you can include to make your Nearpod more interactive.